Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to do vertical live stream in OBS. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your OBS, guys. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the video. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and change the aspect ratio over here as a 9 by 16 or 720 by 1280. So guys, I won't be able to show you right now since I am currently using the OBS and currently recording. So from here, guys, just make sure to click on apply and click on OK. And from there, you should be able to change it into a vertical, and that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll try my best to answer your question. And if you want more videos like this, just simply go to our channel. And thanks for watching. See ya.